Hello, I'm Dr. Adair. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon who trained in California, and I'm going to be joining the CosmetiCare practice. I started in Santa Barbara as a general surgeon, made my way through Los Angeles, continuing that, and ultimately to Orange County, where I did my plastic surgery training. I did a fellowship after that with Dr. Bruce Cannell. He specialized in face, and thereafter I pursued training in hair transplant. So I have a spectrum of skills which range all plastic surgery through hair transplant. Well, I've always been geared towards solving things with my hands. Early in life, I was inclined to do such things which led me to surgery. While I was in surgery, I did a lot of trauma work, and some of those cases were horribly disfigured, and that's when I developed an interest in reconstruction of the face in particular. Additionally, as a plastic surgeon, I very much enjoy facial work, rhinoplasty in particular. In recent years, I've been doing a lot of hair transplant, which I think helps a lot of patients, men in particular, reverse the aging process. That is something I experienced personally myself, having had hair loss and undergoing the procedure. And I felt that I appeared to be much older than I was. So having an interest in plastics and cosmetics in general, I wanted to learn how to fix this problem. Well, I treat patients anywhere from 18 to 80 years old, and really it's an individual choice when you want to do this. In recent years, we've developed new techniques which involve what's called an FUE machine, a follicular unit extraction. This is less invasive and less downtime, and it's noticeably popular among younger patients as well. Well, as mentioned, I started in California and was here for the better part of the 90s and early 2000s. During that time, I had a practice in Beverly Hills in particular, but I followed my daughters who were relocated to the south, and that's what led me to the Atlanta area, where I've been for the better part of 10 years. Now it's time to return home. From the time of my training decades ago, CosmetiCare was recognized as one of the centers of excellence. I know Dr. Nicoli and Dr. Von Mar, both of whom are world-class surgeons, and it's truly a privilege to be joining them.